Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can make text view bold programmatically. Now all we had to do, just use the reference of your text view. For example, my one is text view title, and then I will say dot set typeface. Now in the parentheses I am going to say the current text view variable name here dot get typeface, and then put comma, then say typeface dot bold. Here you have other options too: italic, normal, bold, italic, so I will choose bold. Okay, now we can run this. Now guys, you can see it is in bold style. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe.